Graphic design is more than just creating visuals. It's the language of the world. It's how we share stories, connect with ideas, and express emotions without saying a word. From the logos that inspire trust to the websites that capture our attention, design shapes the way we understand and experience the world around us. As the world shifts into the digital era, design is everywhere. Industries across the globe are leaning into design-driven experiences, recognizing the power of visual communication. Whether it's a small business or a global brand, the demand for skilled graphic designers has never been higher. At Orbit Training Center, we understand that behind every great design is a story waiting to be told, and we're here to help you become the storyteller. Our graphic design courses are more than just about learning the latest tools like Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator. We believe that design is personal, and so is learning. That's why our trainers work closely with you, helping you not just master the software, but nurture your ability to think creatively, solve problems, and bring your vision to life. Graphic design isn't just a career, it's a way to express who you are and impact the world around you. Your time to make an impact. Join Orbit Training Center today, and let's design the future together.